get complex works done easily and also on time. So digital tools are techno tools or techno platforms. They could be mobile app or websites that make it easy for us to be able to, get work done. We have looked at how to download videos from YouTube. These are the tools you can use to download videos from YouTube. It's a Keep Vid. We have worked on that. How you can transfer file, from one place to the other or from one person to the other. You can use WeTransfer. So you can use WeTransfer to transfer your video file to me when you are done. WeTransfer. Now, we worked on mockup where we use Place It, Render Forest, mockup.net. Mockup is, you can watch that class, is like you can put yourself on a large screen display and all those kind of a thing. But today, our first project or digital tool is how can we convert a graphic to a text? Let's assume maybe you are able to, maybe you have an image that you now want to convert to a text. It could be a design. It could be something that is already in a different format, maybe like a JPEG or PNG, and you want to convert it to a text, an editable text, so that that thing can be editable. It can also be a PDF that you want to convert to a text that is editable. This is the step. Very easy, straightforward. We're going to try one right now. So all you need to do is to, first of all, number one, have a Google Drive. So you're going to open up your Google Drive. Google Drive is free. If you have a Gmail account, you already have a Google Drive as well. So all you need to do is to open up your Google Drive. And I remember telling everybody to sign up for Google Drive. So I believe every one of us should have that right now. Let me get this out of the way. All right. So now what you now do is you upload that file to Google Drive. Upload that file to Google Drive. So, and there is a way to do that. You can open up your file folder and then identify what you want to upload. Why is it not sharing this particular screen? Let me find the screen. Okay, let's go. So this is my folder. Let me go to, okay. So let's assume I want to use this one. This is a PNG. Let me show you. It's a file. It's not editable. You can't edit this thing right there. It's PNG. But you want to use it. You want to make it editable. You want to make adjustment. So all you do is to move that particular file to your Google Drive. You can drag it or you can bring it in. You can do file upload or you can drag it in. Now, this is the file that I want to work with. Under recent, I'll find it here. Can you see the file? I've already dragged it in to my Google Drive. And if you already have it on Google Drive, fine. All you need to do is number 2 step is upload the graphic to Google Drive. Then from Google Drive, open with Google Doc. Open with Google Doc. So I'm going to right click and then I'll say open with Google Docs. Can you see that? Right click, open with Google Docs. When you click open with Google Docs, you will see the magic that Google Doc will do right there. It will import that file and then it will extract the text. So this is the file. Can you see there? And these are the text inside this file. Google Doc has extracted them out. This one is not editable. I can't edit the text. But right now, this one, I can edit the text. I can add to it. So that is how to convert an image text to an editable text. I don't know if somebody get what I did. So I can change the color to make everything look easy. All of these text you are seeing here, Google Doc brought it out from this image. So how do you use things like this? Number one, if somebody sent you an handwriting thing, something they wrote with their hand, and they scanned it to you, or a scanned document, you can, instead of typing one by one, you can extract those content out from that typed document that they scan to you or they send to you as a picture or an image, and Google Doc will extract all the text out for you to make it editable and adjustable. Did somebody just learn something there? Did you get that? So that is the magic right there. It's a 3-step process, very easy. If you have to pay for this, maybe like $1 million. But it's a trick there that will reduce your labor and get the work done. So upload to Google Drive, whatever that image is. From Google Drive, open it with Google Doc, then copy the text and then edit it to perfection, which was what we did here. So if you have an handwriting text that was scanned to you or texted to you, you can use that same strategy to extract the extract the text out of it and make it editable and adjustable. Is somebody confused about that? So that is the tool number one I want to share with you today. Number two tool is how do you convert text to speech? Like ordinary text. We saw that in our last class, that while we were doing animated video explainer, that some of you that were using the free version, it wouldn't allow you to use their voice. So this tool, www.texttospeech.org, and then we saw one again that last week. Can somebody remind me which one we used last week? Type it in the chat box. How we were able to convert text to speech. I know we saw one. It was something.org or something like that. So, but let's look at texttospeech.org. And this is how it looks like. Texttospeech.org. So what you just do is to type in what you want to generate a voice for. We are going to be flying out to another place very soon. So this can be a script that you want to use a different voice for, and it can be anything that you want to convert a text to a speech. So what you need to do is to copy your text there, or you type your text there. So let's assume that is my text. I want to choose the kind of voice I want. Female US, male Scottish. If you want Indian voice, you can use any of that. Then let me just choose female US for now. Type talking speed. If you want them to talk faster, if you want them to talk slower, but normal is okay for me. And then I will give it a name for my file. So I'll call it type testing. So after I put my text, I have chosen the settings I want. Click on start. Now watch it. It will convert that text to voice for me. Check it out now. I'll show you.
We are going to be flying out to another place very soon. We shall be back in a couple of days. Nobody is going to be missing.
That one is like a robotic voice. Let me try the male US. So that is how to convert voice.
We are going to be flying out to another place very soon. We shall be back in a couple of days. Nobody is going to be missing.
That is the male US. I can also choose that. So you can choose any of them that works for you. That is how to convert.
We are going to be flying out to another place very soon. We shall be back in a couple of days. Nobody is going to be missing. We are going to be
okay with it. You can just click on this and it will download the MP3 for you. If you want to increase their voice, you can also do that. They will talk faster and faster. And this may not be the perfect.
We are going to be flying out to another place very soon. We shall be back in a couple.
So we have the other one that is from texttospeech.com. This one may be a little bit more better. You can choose the language you want. You can choose names. You know, these are various templates, and you can choose the speed, and you create the audio file. So this is from text to speech. The first one is texttospeech.org, and this one is from texttospeech.com. So that's how you can convert text to speech using digital tools online. And and I know we had one last week also. Can somebody remind me the one we used last week? You can put it on the text if you remember that. We had one we used last week as well. So we wait for this one to finish up. Okay, let's continue while we wait for this one to come out of his vacation. Right. So that is how to convert text to speech. The next one is to convert text to video. Is how you can convert a text, an ordinary text, to video. This is the tool, voice2v.com. Voice2v.com. It's like voice2video.com. Voice2video.com. So that is what you use to convert. And this one, you can use it to do a lot of things. This voice2v.com, you can use it to convert an image to a video. You can use it to convert an audio to video. You can do it to create a slideshow. You can do it to do all of this. But what we want to do is to convert a text to a video. A text to a video. So they say convert audio file to video. That one is doable. Convert text to video. You choose whichever one you want to work with. So you will see advert there because that's how they make their money. Don't worry about the advert. Scroll down. This is convert add text to video. This is add text to video. That's not what I want. Convert text to video. Convert ordinary text to video. So here you can type in your text. You can use this box to type in your text, whatever text you want. So it will just be like a background text on top of it, and it will be video. You can change the font size you want, select it, font style, font size, color of the text. You can select the color you want there. This is the effect of how you want it to show in the video file. I will select this one. You choose any one you want. If you want to have a background image, you can select it. If you just want to have a background color, you can choose it here and select the color you want by changing these numbers or whichever one you want. So I'm going to just leave it to be black. And then you just click on this button. When you click on that button, it will ask you if you want to upload audio file. So that means that you want an audio to be playing underneath it as the thing is, the text is showing on the screen. If you want, you can select the audio you want. And then you just click on create. So it will go ahead and bunch everything together and create for you a text to video file that you can download. Now look at it. So this is what it is. So let's assume that we add this as a voiceover the other time. I can go ahead and import that voiceover in that place where it was asking me to put audio. So as the text is showing on this, the voice will be playing under it, and you can use this as a video file. So this is how you can do a text to video using voice to V. You can convert image to video too. Voice to V is a good tool for anything you want to do, how you can convert and how you can work around with it. All right, our audio is ready.
We are going to be flying out to another place very soon. We shall be back in a couple of days. Nobody is going to be missing.
So that is the one we did with from text to speech right there, from text to speech. And all these are free tools that you can use. All right. Does anybody have any question so far? Is there any question so far? These are tools that you can use for yourself. Right. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is how you can convert from voice to text. Like you have a voice, let's say you have a recording or an audio recording and you wanted to convert it to a text. You want to convert what is being said to text. Like somebody was asking if how we can do, what was the question again? Caption, subtitle. You can use this one here for that. Most of them are paid for, but these ones are a little bit free. They may come with some restrictions like number of minutes or things like that, but they are good to do. The first one is myvoice2text.com. myvoice2text.com. When you click on that or you visit it, it will bring you here. Now, what you can do here is that you can actually record and it will be doing its best to convert your voice into a text. Now watch this right there. I'll click on record, allow my microphone to be used. What we are saying today, now watch this result box. You see that everything that I am saying is being converted to a text. This same thing you can use Google Doc to do. Period. So this is a tool that can turn whatever you are saying to a text. Period. You can use it to be your typewriter. If you don't have time to type, just talk and it will be your typewriter. Of course, it will not be perfect, but at least you can get the job done. Period. Okay, so, and then you can pause, copy all the things you have said, and then you can make adjustment, copy it to a text like a Microsoft Word or something like that, and then you can make adjustment as necessary. All right. Is anybody learning anything there? Are you still there? If you are learning, type 1 on the screen if you are still learning. Or I have overfed you so that we can go home today. So that is how to convert your text to your speech to text. Dictation.io.speech is also a good one. Dictation, this one is also a good tool. Dictation, oh, don't go there. Dictation.io.speech, dictation.io.speech. This one is also good for the same way that one works. It's just to talk. So all you do is just talk and it will be, it will do its best to type what you are saying. But of course, these tools are not always perfect tools. So they just do their best. Period. So this one also, you can copy it, you can save it, and then you have your whatever you are saying right there. There are other ones that allows you to be able to import an existing file, like an existing MP3. You can import the existing file into it, and it will convert it to a text. But most times those ones are not free. You have to actually pay for them. So convert MP3 to text. There are some of them that will give you like a trial version. A trial, yeah, they'll give you a trial, you can use their trial version, like volcamatic.com. Yeah, volcamatic.com will allow you be able to do that. Volcamatic.com. It will convert, let me share that screen with you. It will convert your MP3 to a text, and you can use the text for whatever you want to use it for. It's called volcamatic.com. So this is how, so you upload your MP3 into it, and it will convert it to text for you. All right, so those are the tools we're going to be looking at today. I believe you've learned something. So go home, work on mostly the video editing work, and get something done. By Monday, we're going to have another class, and then let's see what you have been able to do with some of the things that you are learning. I don't know if anybody have any question. Thank you so much for joining class today. It's been a great time being with you and spending time with you today. I appreciate every one of you that have joined our class today. So I'll see you again on Monday. God bless you all.